All right, guys, we are very excited to bring to you today Nightmare Boards! Nightmare Boards, game of skate. We all picked our scariest boards in Braille history. This, to me, is the most terrifying, very scariest. There are actually drops of blood on here. I've seen them.
What?
Because the glass board is no longer.
Yeah. No, this one's even scarier than that. I mean, the glass didn't do anything to me.
Aaron, this is a Nightmare Board. I'm gonna need a scream out of you.
How was that?
That was alright. All right, Carlos, what is your board?
Okay, so I picked the nails. What do you got?
I got the opposite nails, but I got screws.
Screws?
Yeah, it's a little bit heavier. Got the nice little Braille logo going across. It's sharp on the bottom though. That's what I'm a little scared of. Oh, see? Yep. I think I just cut myself. Yeah, I did. See?
Wow.
There we go. Prime example, guys. Don't do this at home ever.
Blood alert! Nightmare Boards in the first 5 seconds. We haven't even started skating yet.
What do you have, Fetty?
It's a hard rhino.
Oh no.
Fetty claims that his is...
The hard rhino because I hate heavy boards.
No, he claims that his is the worst and scariest board. Both of ours have shed blood into people's lives. This has just made them slightly frustrated.
Yeah, that's more fearful than blood.
Okay, so how this game of skate works is we are going to Rochambeau. The first person that goes will go first, second, third, and then the boards will shift. It will be a rotation of boards as we go through the whole thing.
It's a strategy game.
You think so? I think it's a game of skill.
Well, it's a good thing I didn't handstand flip this thing.
Looks like Fetty's last.
Good.
Looks like
Wow.
Aaron's first. So are we playing flat ground or full park?
Full park.
I have the worst
I'm here
board.
for most.
That's my favorite board that we've ever skated.
I realized I have a hole in my shoe.
Oh.
This is gonna be real bad. I don't know if I can ollie this board.
I
though.
think you can.
I got a hole in my shoe.
Full send.
Oh! I literally didn't even ollie. It just stuck to the bottom of my feet.
Oh, that freaks me out.
I'm scared when it's Fetty's turn and he ollies the 5. I'm gonna have to take a letter. What am I gonna say?
Oh! This video gives me hardcore anxiety.
I thought for sure he was gonna miss that. So now we rotate. Screws.
That's the best board we have.
I'm gonna manual the long pad. I forgot how hard this board was.
Now you go to hard rhino, Aaron.
L.
I love how iconic this board is.
It's true. I'm gonna do a nose pick.
For the record, Aaron did me no stall. That's good. Back to the nails.
What can I do on this? I guess I'll try a nose slide. No way, I'm not doing that. That's dead.
Aaron is deathly afraid of the nail board. Well noted. There's my strategy.
I'll board slide the rail.
What?
Not scary? Everything about it's scary.
Should play hardcore mode.
Yeah. No. No, Fetty! Nobody just does a kickflip for fun on that. Oh, no! I thought I was gonna stump everyone. Now it's over.
That face he made is like the first time you ever jumped for a 50-50 down a rail, but you didn't jump for it.
Under the nail board.
Try to lip slide the rail.
No.
Oh! Oh! All right, Carlos, what you got?
50, and then another 50. 50-50.
Take it down, AK.
Ow. Just stabbed myself.
Try to kick
Wait.
flip on flat. I didn't kick it hard enough.
Doug Nolly healed this, but no one has kickflipped it. This really is your nightmare board, man.
This is the nightmare
I
video.
haven't seen you this terrified in a while.
Dude. Carlos, well, you picked the board.
Count it.
It's like the noise it makes, it's like,
One of the most unpleasant sounds. So AK, that means you're on hard rhino.
finally, it's time to take everyone down.
Whoa! to the nail board.
I thought I had them both on that. They both landed it with ease.
I've been hanging out with you all year. I know your secrets.
Oh!
I'm either gonna just wear them down slowly and then just take them through to the kill, or they're just never gonna wear down and nothing will happen. Dang it. The only way I can win is to do every manual trick I know. We circled through all the boards, they landed every trick.
Yep. Completely surprised that you just did that. Wow, that's amazing.
I didn't even take the time to move the rail, which could have impaled me.
Just because you.
Wow, cool guys. It's fun playing with you.
Aaron is at A, I am at A, I'm going hard.
Fetty has officially stated he's gonna go hard now.
The screws got hooked on my toe and it went like whoop.
Manual the hard rhino?
The hard rhino don't manual.
Hang on, there was something there. I felt like a bump right before I ollied.
Oh, wait, I think I know what it is. Look.
Bump.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm gonna break that board into a million pieces.
No, I'm gonna write up manual to that part.
Try to tell him the hard rhino don't manual, but he don't listen. It's okay.
I have a feeling Fetty's gonna mess this up again. I stand corrected.
Do I have to do that?
I feel like you can do it, Aaron.
No, you don't just all you 5-star on a nail board.
You can do it, Aaron. You know you can.
The thing that nobody understands is that there are screws going through there, which makes it impossible to slide.
Very well done, my friend.
Got him!
I thought he was gonna land that.
Aaron, your trick.
I just walked by them and they were talking about sending rockets into space with a bungee. All right, it's all good. I'm gonna change up the obstacle and do this one again.
He will not give up on this kickflip.
He's gotta land it.
You know he will.
I'm the same way, dude.
Oh! 9 tries later, it's first try. It's like you get cut and then you pour salt and then pour gasoline, light the gasoline on fire. If he lands this, oh, done. Okay, no more Euro. Dang it! In my head, it was gonna be so much cooler than it was, even if I would have landed it.
Oh!
I told you this thing is the worst one out of all of them.
Nice.
He was like, well, I'm done. Look at you now, surviving.
Can't even do that on a normal board.
But you can do it on a nail board.
Oh no.
Sucks is when you know your buddy's weaknesses and you don't want to take them out like that. Don't have to ollie, just right off the 5.
What? No!
Oh no. That's fine. Aaron, there comes a time in every man's career where they got a full send. This isn't your time to be out. This is your time to
What
shine.
kind of forking freaks am I playing with here today?
You got this. You just gotta go fast.
Blunt the fakie. Got it.
Well then.
Very nice.
It's the only thing you can get done on that thing.
Wow. Oh! Very nice.
I'm gonna back 50 the box. Half cab, no slide, 270.
That was really good.
That's the trick I wanted to do the whole time.
Wow.
Oh! One more try. Oh! Great Scott! Congratulations.
Since I won, I can claim what board's the worst hard right now.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was definitely extremely nightmarish. I think all of our lives flashed before our eyes probably 12, 13 times in this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got a ton of other videos in the playlist, and if you like this one, give it a share. Share it with all your friends on social media. Tag us at Braille Skate. We'll see you in the next video, and if you guys want to learn how to skateboard, go to brailleskateboarding.com and get everything you need. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. All right, guys, we're super excited about the holiday special. Click the link in the description below and go find out what it is.